I want to go into a bit more detail now in terms of the understanding of what hope is as against optimism and wishful thinking. Because people sometimes use these terms almost interchangeably and they're actually quite different. Optimism deals with probability. Hope deals with possibility. And wishes largely deal with impossibility. So I'm going to give you what I think is quite a good example of how this would play out. If you wanted to win the lottery and you bought 5,000 lottery tickets, you may feel much more optimistic about winning the lottery because you have increased the probability of being able to do so. This probability is mathematical. Okay, so we're thinking about the logics. It's about our thought processes. This is optimism. If you bought one ticket but still wanted to win the lottery, you would be hopeful of winning it because winning the lottery is now possible. It's a possibility. It could happen. If you didn't buy a lottery ticket and still wanted to win, that's wishful thinking. It's impossible. So you might think, well, why not focus on optimism rather than hope as a character strength? Well, this is why. Studies have shown that as we get nearer to adversity, with the exam, the driving test, our optimism tends to wane, whereas our hope doesn't. So we can remain hopeful. Hope does not diminish. Hope does not desert us. And hope keeps us engaged in the face of adversity. Optimism does diminish and it does wane. Wishful thinking is fleeting. If it isn't, it will mean that we're delusional and we're in some very difficult and dangerous territories.